Hello, hello, hello. Here we are again. Now, my first race was a 5K, 6.1 miles. I did not want to race to put myself on the spot, but I was with a running group and our coach insisted. So I entered the Magic Mountain 5K race. I won second place overall female. I couldn't believe it. After that, I won first, second, and third place for my age group in every race I ever entered. The group I trained with were all age group winners. And that is something to remember. Always, always be around the people that are as good or better than you are. This will push you to be better. Don't be jealous. Be determined to be better, and you will be. There was this training I'll never forget. The coach gave me a 10-second lead over another runner in a quarter-mile training. The thing was, she was really fast. I was petrified, okay? I ran as fast as I could, but from a distance, everyone could see it. I looked as if I was almost standing still on the last curve of the track. She was passing me. I hoped she wouldn't, but I thought she would. The great part is that this was my fastest time ever. It pushed me beyond where I was. Another time was at a half marathon, and there was a runner in front of me. I kept trying to catch her. I thought she may be in my age group, so I really tried. Every time I started to get close to her, I couldn't find her. She would get away from me. It was so frustrating, but I kept trying, even though it was really hard. At one point, towards the end of the race, I saw her drop out. I said, what the heck? I couldn't believe it. I saw her after the race and told her how I was trying to catch her for miles. I was like, I'd see her in front of me, and I said, no, I'm going to try. And there she was. She kept going. And you know what she said? She said, I was just training. My mouth dropped. I was dying. She was just moving along with a lot more ease than I was. Again, that was my best time in that race distance. Good and great. It makes you better. So don't envy. Learn and grow. Be with people who go the extra mile in learning and teaching. Hang where you'll be challenged. You won't regret it. Promise. If you're taking lessons, make sure your coach pushes you to be better and knows how to do it. Okay? All I have to say to you is that you can really be good if you push yourself, if you are around good musicians, other good musicians, if you're around people that really work hard at things. So you may have to check out who you hang with, because maybe you're hanging with people who just go along to get along. You don't want that. You want to be good. And I got to tell you, honey, I got things in my book that I'm going to put it here. Is there a glare? I don't know. We'll find out. I'm going to put it many different ways. And in my book, I talk about many different situations that challenged me. And sometimes I failed, but I didn't stop. I kept going. And in the next About Me, I'm going to tell you to never give up. You gotta hear about what I talk about. It is so, so important. Okay, so I'm not going to give away any more. I'm going to stop right here, and I think, am I going to sing? Oh! Oh yeah. Remember, you got to subscribe. You got to ring the bell, okay? And remember, be the best you can be. Always, always strive to be that number one in your life, okay? Because it is such a day, such a mighty fine day. Wow, such a day. Okay, bye, 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 bye.